All right, let's talk about the jaw-dropping surge in real-world asset tokenization. In just 6 months, the RWA market has exploded by 260%. That's right. What was an $8.6 billion market at the start of 2025 is now pushing past $23 billion. And I'm not just talking hype. This is a real institutional shift, backed by hard numbers and big names. So what's fueling this rocket ride? First, regulatory clarity in the US has finally given institutions the green light to step in. We're seeing hedge funds, asset managers, even pension funds get off the sidelines and into tokenized assets. Second, DeFi integration is a game changer. BlackRock's BuIdle Treasury Fund, for instance, is now hooked into DeFi protocols, making yield opportunities more accessible than ever. Now, let's break down the numbers. Tokenized private credit is stealing the show, making up 58% of the market. That's over $13 billion in digital private credit, on-chain, transparent, and liquid. Platforms like Figure and Tradable are leading this charge, offering fractional liquidity, real-time transparency with smart contracts, and opening the door to a wider pool of investors. Heavy hitters like Apollo and Franklin Templeton are jumping in, launching their own tokenized credit funds. Meanwhile, tokenized US Treasuries aren't far behind, holding 34% of the pie, more than $7 billion in on-chain assets. Securitize, Franklin Templeton, Circle, they're all making it possible to own stable, yield-bearing treasuries with real-time settlement. This isn't just innovation, it's meeting core institutional needs with a blockchain twist. What's the impact? The fusion of DeFi and institutional finance is unlocking billions in liquidity. Tradable alone is moving huge volumes in private credit on-chain. Custodians and tokenization platforms now bridge traditional finance with the speed and efficiency of DeFi. Looking ahead, the runway is clear. Deloitte says tokenized real estate could hit $4 trillion by 2035. With institutional demand, better regulation, and smarter infrastructure, this sector is just getting started. Bottom line, RWA tokenization has moved from an experiment to a financial frontier. Private credit and treasuries aren't just proof of concept, they're proof this revolution is already here. If you want more insights on where digital assets and blockchain finance are headed, don't forget to like and subscribe. As the landscape evolves, expect more traditional banks and global regulators to enter the space. The next wave of tokenization could include everything from real estate to fine art, making digital assets a mainstream investment class. Stay tuned for more updates as this revolution unfolds.